Welcome back to Adventures with Rosie, and hello from Raglan in New Zealand. We've come away for the weekend. As some of you know, we are waiting on our twins to arrive. So Chelsea introduced me to the concept of a baby moon. Just an excuse to go away for the weekend, really, like a honeymoon, but when you're waiting for the babies to arrive. So we've come up to Raglan for the weekend, a couple hours north of where we live in Taupo. We're going to go and get some breakfast and explore this place. Should we go?
Yeah.
Yeah? You excited?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Alrighty, breakfast done. Now we're off to find some waterfalls, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah! So this is the little place in Raglan that we found online. How cute is this place? Cute?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
And quick twins update. Today we are 27 weeks, so expecting them any day now.
In day. No.
Thank you for tuning in. Apologies for the short video this week. As you know, we're in a bit of a holding pattern. Waiting for our new caravan to arrive and waiting for our twins to arrive. So apologies for the lack of videos. If you like what we're up to, and we've got heaps to come in the next 6 months, if you like what we're doing, maybe consider subscribing down the bottom, and we'll see you in the next video.